Sunshine. So today I'm going to be trying out a new subscription box called Korean Snack Box. This snack box is $15 a month, and not only does this company offer snack boxes, but they also offer like single time snack boxes. So you can choose to either sign up for a subscription, or you can just do one time only, like chocolate theme box. They have like a chip theme box. So if you're wanting to try like a certain like specific type of snack from Korea, they offer certain boxes ranging between $12 and $17. I, however, signed up for their monthly subscription box, and so like I know the box is a little plain, but I kind of read into the company of it, and basically they say all of their boxes ship specifically from South Korea. So this box was packaged and shipped in South Korea and came all the way to my doorstep. So I think that's really, really cool. So I'm really excited to see what is in this box. I did get a little yellow sheet, and sheet, and it says, "Here in Korea, the hot summer has begun. It is time to go to the beach. The most famous and most beautiful sandy beaches in Korea are located on the south coast, such as Hondae in Busan." Oh my god, I watched this movie one time. It was called The Train to Busan, and it was one of the most amazing zombie movies I've ever watched in my life. Or along the east coast, such as Xoxo and Gwangdo. But since most Koreans live in around Seoul, we mostly cool down in one of the many outdoor pools in the Han River Park that are open throughout the whole summer. Or for the most adventurous and younger Koreans, we go to one of the larger water parks like Caribbean Bay, where we can enjoy water slides and large wave pools. What style do you prefer? I don't know what the wave pool and all of that had to do with this box, but they do have information listed on like everything inside of this box. So we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna do a little taste testing. First and foremost, I'm really interested to see what is inside of this silk case. So I see two pieces of candy. We have a lollipop, and I have absolutely no idea what this is, but this feels like caramel. So the first thing that I'm going to try is this. I see peanut and I see chocolate, and it says mini, and it has like music on the packaging. Okay, so let's see what this is. Oh, it's chocolate. This has a very true peanut taste. Like, this tastes like chocolate and peanut. Like, not like peanut butter or anything, but like straight up peanut. So I think this one is called Ghana. It says the popular Cacao Chocolate Bar that is actor Park Bo Gum's favorite. They don't really give a description on anything, so I'm a little disappointed in that. Like, I wish I knew what was in it, because I can't read any other language besides English, and I know, I'm sorry guys, but I can't. And so I wish that they had like a little description on like what's on the inside of this. And it said, in this month's beach and pool box. So are these items, okay, maybe that makes sense. Are these items like associated with beach and pool time? I don't really know. That's what I'm gonna go ahead and assume. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to try is this lollipop. It says that this is going to be in a flavor of a popular Korean ice cream flavor. I have never had Korean ice cream, so I'm excited to get inside of this lollipop. So this lollipop, I know it's blue, but it tastes like guava to me. Like, it's got that very, like, you guys know that I don't like guava, but it kind of tastes like fruity to me. It doesn't really taste like anything that I would really associate with ice cream, because I don't eat fruit flavored ice creams. So, I don't know, I feel like the chart, like this, yeah, I definitely feel like this little chart thing here is very confusing. Like, I really wish I knew what was what. I wish there was better descriptions. I wish it was in English, because I can't read any of this. Like, all of it is not in English. There's, like, not very many English words for me to like figure it out. So I kind of have to figure it out by myself. So I wish they had like more specific descriptions about what each thing is, or at least so far that's my impression of what's going on now. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to try is this. And it says chocolate coated cake. So I know what this is. This is, okay, we're getting somewhere. We're making a little bit of progress. Ooh, the chocolate is very, very melty. It's okay. We're still gonna try it anyway. That tastes like just like tasty cake. I like this a lot because the cake is very like light and fluffy. Kind of reminds me of angel cake, and the chocolate's light and delicate. This is a perfect like summer dessert. Like, I would eat these up in the summertime when it's really hot, like it is right now. But I also really like the cake because it's not very dense in my mouth. So I like how light and delicate this is. I feel like this is really, really great for summer. The next thing that I'm pulling out, it says Margaret. we made Margaret with Mom's Love premium homemade style cookie. So let's see what it is. I'm hoping it's like delicious cookie. I'm scared it's gonna be like biscuits. Okay, so it looks like a shortbread cookie. Let's try it. It says a handmade style cookie flavored with nuts made since 1987. Yeah, I really feel like I'm missing out on a lot of this box because there aren't descriptions. Like, I wish there was a description of like what this cookie's called. Even though it says Margaret, is this cookie actually called like Margaret? I'm a little confused. I also wish like there was a better description of like what this was. Like, I know that they just said it's a cookie flavored like nut, but to me this just tastes like a shortbread cookie. So I feel like I'm missing out on the Korean culture because this doesn't really do a good job of explaining. So that's kind of the biggest downfall so far in my personal experience. Okay, the next thing that I'm trying are these 4 fruits mix. I love the whale. This looks like really fun packaging. So there's a decent amount of gummies in there. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like filled up to here with gummies. So let's try. The first guy I got is a whale. So that just tastes like a normal orange gummy. I don't know what's special about it. We've got an octopus, a whale, and 2 more whales. I'm going to try another whale and see how that goes. So we've got a whale, an octopus, a squid, a crab, and a turtle. Those are so cute. But these literally just taste like normal gummies. Like, there's nothing different about them except for like the shapes. So, I'm going to read the description. It says Jelly Bab, the jelly version of the popular snack. Like, what? I don't know. I don't want to keep saying this, but I really feel like the descriptions would help out a lot. And these are just like your average everyday, like I could go to Walmart, I could go to Target, I could go to the dollar store and I could get these. Maybe not in the same shades, but in the same taste. Like, you're really not missing out on anything here. Okay, we've got 2 more things to try. I have high hopes for these items. The next is the Bellotti Ghana Mild Chocolate Extra Cacao. So this is a chocolate bar. So I'm a little nervous because, like, I have no idea what is wrong with the, like, edge of the chocolate bar. Maybe it got melted. I don't know. But I'm just gonna not eat the, like, light part because I don't want to take a chance of getting sick. So it smells really nice. So here we go. I'm going to try a piece. So this definitely has a very milk chocolate flavor. I was expecting it to be a little bit darker because it does say extra cacao. Definitely not as sweet tasting as Hershey's chocolate, but it definitely still does taste like just your plain Jane milk chocolate. Okay, let's see what it says about that one. Okay, wait guys, I got confused. So this is the popular Cacao Chocolate Bar that the actor Park Bo-gum's favorite. The other thing that I have, I don't even know what this is. Like, it's only this, and I can't match it. The only, like, other thing that it could be is mini break time is a perfect snacks for getting some quick energy on your break from school to work. That's the only thing that I think that this could possibly be because I've tried everything else on the list. So I got those 2 confused, but again, maybe if they had better descriptions, I would have an easier time, or even do what MunchPak does and put a little sticker on everything, and then, like, that's all you guys gotta do. Last but not least, we have Lottie Vanilla Black Cookie. So I think this is gonna be just like Pocky, so maybe it's like cookie flavored Pocky. I really love Pocky, so I have high hopes for this. Okay, so, oh, it's all melted together. Oh no. Okay, so here's one piece of Pocky that I was able to, like, break off from the melted together. And I can't, I'm like, yeah, this could be my fault because, like, it's hot, but, like, this is all melted together. It's not separate as in, like, it melted here. Like, it melted some point and transitioned to here. It just got here, like, an hour ago. So, like, it's all, like, it all melted and then was cooled down enough to, like, stick back together. So this happened in transit to here. But here's the chocolate cookie Pocky. The vanilla black cookie Pocky, I'm sorry. Hopefully this is good. This is very good. I really like the taste of this. So really this is like the big winner of the box, I guess you could say. The description for this Pepero Vanilla Black Cookie. The popular stick-shaped cookies that you can see in many Korean dramas and variety shows. So for $12, I got Pocky, I got a chocolate bar, I got fruit snacks, 2 shortbread cookies, a chocolate cake, and a little chocolate bar, and a lollipop. So, is it worth it is really the question. Is it worth $12? Is it worth your hard-earned money? No, it is not. I feel like, I mean, like, I know this is Korean culture, but I feel like at the same time, I really don't feel like I got to experience, like, actual Korean snacks. I feel like I got to experience, like, American versions, American, like, candy and food with Korean's version spun on it. Like, I don't really feel like I got the experience of, like, being able to go to Korea and be like, hey, what's a really popular snack that, like, you know that's, like, Korean, like, made, not just, like, you know, chocolate bars and fruit snacks. Like, sure, I mean, I don't know if Pocky was invented in Korea, but I feel like these are just Americanized versions of Korean culture, and so I really feel like I missed out on that. I feel like I missed out on learning about even Americanized versions of Korean culture because this sheet was literally, like, not helpful whatsoever. And everything was kind of melty. Like, I have no idea what was wrong with my chocolate bar. And all of my Pocky is melted together, so, like, it's all, like, broken chunks now. So I feel like for the money, this was just a box of disappointment. Like, I've had shortbread cookies before. I've had the chocolate and peanut before. I've had chocolate bars. I've had fruit snacks. I've had everything in this box. There wasn't anything new. There wasn't anything excitement. It was a disappointing box. I will be straight up. And I feel like I'm coming off really aggressive, but like it's a disappointment. Like, I know this. I was so excited because I'm like, oh my god, it came all the way from South Korea. Like, wow, I have something special sitting in here for me. And this is all the stuff that I could get from the dollar store or at least Walmart and just, like, make up by myself. And at least understand, like, what I'm getting because at least the packages will have descriptions or something. And I could have trusted this yellow sheet to do that for me, but it wasn't very helpful at all. So I would say for $12.50, this is not worth your time. It is not worth your effort. What did you guys think of the Korean snack box? Do you think I'm being too harsh? Do you think that I'm wrong? Like, what do you guys think? I would love to hear in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video, which I promise will be much more positive.